Welcome to the official channel of Upfront Tutorial. I am trainer Moninder. Today we have planned to go on a bike ride to Indrunag, which is a popular trekking and camping spot in Himachal Pradesh. Today's trip has been sponsored by the manager of Upfront Tutorial, who is presently off to Singapore with his family. About Upfront Tutorial, this institute has formidable reputation in Phagwara city and it is well known for its academic excellence. It has not only provided some best trainers to the Ielts industry, but also have been helping candidates to meet their Ielts requirement since 2002. Right now we are standing at Phagwara's one of the famous landmarks, which is Rajmahal Motel near bus stand. We are going to start our ride from here. We are waiting for other riders to arrive here. Once they come, I will introduce them to you. Personally, I am very excited about today's trip because it would provide us an opportunity to enjoy riding off-road. Bye for now. Right now we are at Phagwara Automobiles. As you can see, our all riders have arrived and we are about to start our journey. We usually start our journey from here after getting our bikes inspected. One reason we usually visit this place because of the Tinku Paji. Tinku Paji is one of the senior employees at this place. In fact, all the employees in this workshop are very hospitable and welcoming.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Hello everyone, as informed you earlier, today's trip was planned to Indrunag. It's evening and now we have reached our destination. This place is extremely beautiful as there is a lot of greenery and mountains all around the place where we are going to stay tonight. I'm very excited as our camping adventure is going to begin. Let me show you the place where we're going to stay tonight. So Kwinder, I think this is going to be a really different experience today because these are not normal tents. I would say these are luxury tents and experience is going to be a luxury camping experience. This place has attached washroom too. and I hope you will enjoy today's trip. Hello everyone, it's morning and the weather is very pleasant and refreshing. Right now we are planning to have breakfast first, then we will go on a hiking. The last night was amazing. This is the place where we enjoyed bonfire last night. Right now I am with Sukhwinder. Sukhwinder is an Ielts trainer in Banga. Let's hear about his experience about this trip.
It's Sukhwinder Singh, and I'm really liking this place. It was my first ride with Muninder sir, and overall it was amazing and an adventurous experience.
Time to introduce another member of our group. Meet Om Rajan. Om Rajan is a very common name among rider groups in our area. Om sir owns a channel on YouTube by the name of Riding with Om. Let's hear about his riding experience. He has made many rides so far. Let's talk about some of the interesting rides which you have made, sir.
सो ऐसे है कि मेरे को राइड करते हुए 2 से 2.5 साल हुए हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं हुए हैं। वो भी मैं एक दिन कहीं मॉल में जा रहा था, वहाँ पे मेरे को राइडर्स मिले, तो फिर मेरा भी इंटरेस्ट हो जाएगा राइड करने का। तो पहले छोटी राइड्स की थी, 1 दिन 2 दिन की, 1-2 दिन की राइड्स में ना मज़ा नहीं आता। 3 तरह के लोग होते हैं। एक होते हैं डे राइड, सवेरे गए शाम को वापस आ गए। एक होती है 1 डे राइड, वो 1 नाइट राइड, वो 1 नाइट गए जैसे ये चल रही है आज वाली हमारी। और एक होती है 2 नाइट भी होती है, और उसके बाद आती है लॉन्ग राइड। लॉन्ग राइड में जैसे कोई 7-8 दिन की होगी, जैसे ले हो गया, स्पीति हो गया। अगर आप लॉन्ग राइड करना चाहते हो तो ले से शुरू करो। ले बहुत बढ़िया जगह है, और 3-4 सालों में उसको इतना का डेवलप कर दिया है कि कोई भी आ जा सकता है आराम से। तो बढ़िया, आप भी जाइए, मैं तो यही बोलूंगा, जरूर जाओ। और नेक्स्ट एक राइड प्लान कर रहे हैं लॉन्ग की, भाई मेरा चैनल देखते हैं क्या बनता है।
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Our second member also has arrived. It's Vishal sir. Vishal sir is the most experienced rider in our group. He's a very good person. I liked his nature. Let's hear about his camping and riding experience.
राइड ऐसा है कि हम जैसे भी राइड करते हैं, ये सबसे बड़ी बात है कि इस बार हम जो आए हैं 23 जन आए हैं, तो काफ़ी बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस है। यहाँ का माहौल भी बहुत बढ़िया है, और एडवेंचर राइड है ये। देखो आप सामने भी देख सकते हो पहाड़ों पे। कल जब आए थे हम, तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी बादल आए हुए थे, कुछ भी क्लियर नजर नहीं आ रहा था। और आज काफ़ी मौसम क्लियर हो गया है। रात को भी हम मैक्लोडगंज जाके आए हैं, काफ़ी क्राउड था वहाँ पे। तो शायद आप मुनिंदर सर गए नहीं, हमने इनको बोला था कि चलिए, कहते चलो हमने रेस्ट करनी है। तो काफी बढ़िया है। अभी हम ट्रैकिंग पे जा रहे हैं, सुबह सुबह मॉर्निंग ट्रैकिंग पे। उन्होंने गाइड ने बताया कि ऊपर से जाओगे आप, यहाँ से सारा व्यू दिखेगा।
ठीक,
तो बस ठीक है, बाकी